What's up, Storm Server Madness? Today, well, it's good to be back, and I'm here at Power Sports Canada. After a while, like last week, I just went to the dealer, and let's just say I'm here at the local Honda Power Sports Canada, and I'm here to buy a new bike. So let's go on in and take a look. Here we go. We're going on in. Let's take a look. Okay, that's one here. 450R 2022. That's a Yamaha. And we got lots of motorcycles here. Guys, if you're looking for what I'm looking for, I'm here to pick up a brand new pit bike. Not really a pit bike, but a 6-foot size dirt bike, like a all-new 2025 Honda CRF125FB. Here's all the gear and stuff here. Here we got going on here. Oh, there's one right there. So let's check it out. Looks like the one I'm looking for. But before I do, let me show you something right over there. Here's a 125 right here, and a Honda CRF110 2024. This is a 2024 125F, the small wheel. It makes it a bit lower. It's got a smaller wheel, electric start, and here's the 150Rs. They're competition bikes, and here's a 250F 2025. They finally managed to get a new paint scheme, new graphics for the new bike. So, let's see what's going on right here. Okay, you see right there, there's one there. And, yeah. So, I'm not sure. Oh, here's a, Yamaha Raptor. And this looks like the one. As you can see, it's got the all-new graphics here. The lines. This is like the same motor, just got rid of carbon fuel injection. Wow, it's a beautiful bike. Wow. So, this must be it. I'm not really entirely sure if this is the actual one, because I can't find a sold tag. But it's actually like the 2025 model. I would have gotten the 2024, but they only had the small wheel left right there. So, I got the brand new year CRF125FB. If you don't know what FB stands for, it stands for iconic bigger wheels. It's got a 16-inch rear wheel and a 19-inch front wheel. Okay, so here's the new graphics. It's way different. I may remove these, but I'm gonna keep them on for now. Keep this bike stock for a bit of time. Here's your shifter. Wow, look at the shine of this bike. It looks beautiful, especially with its new graphics. I would have gotten a 2024 because I like the graphics more, but even though they didn't have that many at Power Sports, I decided to stick with the new model because I'm going to add modifications, make it look like a 450. If you hear that motorcycle in the background, that's just someone testing it, and that's just people talking in the background. Here's your backup kickstart. And I'm really excited for the fuel injection. It's got a little fuel light warning also. After a while of waiting, I finally got one. So I'm just gonna cut for a bit till I could get this out. Now with the old, in with the new. It's a pretty good bike. I've always wanted these for a while. Now with the old and with the new, that's for sure. So here's the bike. It's looking pretty good. Here's what it has on the front.
Excellent. Thank you again. Thank you. Take care, man.
Brand new bike, new season coming up.
What's the date?
It's now
Sunday,
spring.
21 March.
First time ever. Feels good. Let's see how it runs. Be careful. Alright, since I got a new bike and it runs without further ado, let's go riding the farm. Alright, so we got in the truck. We just put it on wheels, some tires, so well, this will stay pretty good. Let's get it home. Alright, let's go to the farm and ride this thing. There's the bike over there. It's just behind the window. So, let's get to the farm. Alright, I'll turn it the right way.
Turn around.
Yep, I got it. Okay.
Un GIO. Le kick, là, faudrait que le coupe, il est trop long.
Ouais?
Si c'est trop droit, on part à l'autre.
OK.
C'est ça qui tombe.
Moi, mais je vais l'utiliser, ça fait que... Je vais prendre les par de suite, là.
So what do you think? A side-by-side look compared to the GIO VM-125 versus the CRF-125.
Les mêmes grosseurs de roue.
So, which one do you like better? That one or that one? That one. I'm gonna start with this one first. Okay. Alright. Time to get this thing started for the first start of the year. See if it has gas. Alright.
Open the tank.
Huh?
Open the tank de base.
Okay.
Choke.
Oh yeah. Okay.
You're on neutral?
Yep. It's on neutral.
Il est grandi depuis l'an passé.
Okay.
The key is on.
Yeah, it's on.
The switch red is on.
Yep.
Okay. Même pour le décarburateur, c'est vrai.
Go, let's go.
The choke. Just stay the choke on. It's a long time you don't run.
Alright.
Non. Si tu veux de quelqu'un, c'est qui te paye.
J'ai pas pensé à ça.
C'est ça.
Mais c'est ça.
C'est un animal.
So tell them why I'm riding this bike.
Mais c'est pas ça.
Une autre semaine. J'ai pas acheté de la
J'ai
maison
pas acheté
en
ça
l'air.
pour ça, là. J'ai acheté ça pour Clean.
Ouais.
Alright, so the reason why I rode that one because I'm gonna miss that bike because I'm not gonna ride it. I'm gonna ride this one more often, but I'll still have it. So without further ado, first ride with this.
Choke. Choke.
There's no choke on it.
No choke.
Okay, I have an idea.
Is
Oh,
the,
that's
is
why.
the switch is on?
Here we go. Keep going down.
Ça part tout seul. Comme à l'autre.
Oui. Il est plus smooth que l'autre.
Ah oui. Puis il run moins.
Ouais,
Il est moins.
élevé, là, c'est sûr.
C'est ça qu'ils prennent la plupart des jeunes pour apprendre.
Ouais.
C'est ça que j'ai vu.
Lui, il a bien intérêt de passer à tout.
Mais ça. Mais je suis chanceux que mon père a donné ça.
Ouais. Ah oui, là, il est safe à ce temps, tu peux aller dans le Rio avec le jeune.
C'est moi qu'il faut qu'il apprenne avec lui. Là.
Toi, il faut t'apprendre avec lui. Il va falloir te mettre dans le champ, là, de monter
C'est
à
ça.
80 km, là, let's go. L'année passée, You like it?
I like it.
Yeah, you pick.
Are you kidding me? I guess that's what you could start. I guess that's when we had to start riding a new dirt bike.
It's a real country.
Alright, you're out, Dad.
Oh.
Okay, he's got it. Oh, Dad really tried. Hold this. Hold this.
Yes.
Yeah, you told me.
OK.
Okay.
Let's go.
Oh.
Ah, yeah.
Oh.
C'est pas pareil, lui.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to shift to a neutral.
Well, put down.
You have to start the motorcycle first, don't you?
Just put
Oh,
There you go.
got it. So, it's pretty easy.
Il va le figurer.
Il va l'apprendre. Beau bicycle, par exemple.
Oui. Mais je trouve qu'il est petit, le bicycle.
Hein?
Je trouve que le bicycle est petit.
Ouais. Il est grand. Il est grandi, genre, ça, ouais.
Ouais, mais c'est Big Wheel, ça.
I don't know why it's not shifting to neutral, but I got it with the clutch.
Oui, l'année prochaine, l'année d'après, tu changes. Le jeune va grandir, grossir.
Ouais, c'est ça.
Oui, c'était
Mais il va être plus responsable aussi.
Ouais.
Là, l'été, il va à un camp d'été.
Il est grand, il est plein de choses encore.
Mais c'est...
I got it.
You wanna go down there or something?
I'm not gonna run you over, man. I got it out of control. That's actually another way to stop it. So here it is. So I'm just walking around it. I took some videos and photos, because it's never going to be that shiny again. Just love when they had the new graphics. It's pretty good. I think they also call it the green bikes, because they're fuel injected now and they have all the emissions. What I mostly like it, I'm mostly excited for the fuel injection, because there's no more cold starts, no more choke. It's also got a backup kickstart. So one thing right here. So the key, that's off. So if your kill switch is on, fuel pump's not on. There you just go the fuel pump turn off, light went off. There's my dad and his friend bringing in the previous bike. I'm still might use it sometimes, but this might be the last ride I use it. Video for grandma. Yeah. First time ever getting a new bike. He's on. Light went off. Oh, gotta use the kickstart.
Tears.